Hello everyone, I'm Chloe from Newindu Construction Engineering Company, which has been engaged in machinery expertise for 16 years. Today, let me show you the hard ceiling SHANTUI Bulldozer. Okay, let's go. Okay, next to me is the SHANTUI Bulldozer SD13. It is 4,492 millimeters long, 2,915 millimeters high, and the blend wise is 3,185 millimeters. The operating weight of SD13 is 13.7 tons, and it uses SHANGCHAI engine. The net power is 113 horsepower. About the blend, we also have some types of blend for choice, such as straight tilt blend, thick sweep blend, angle blend, trimming blend, and so on. Also, depending on the operational requirements, we can install the rippers or capstans. Okay, let's see the cap. We can see this operating area. By using this, we can control the bulldozer to work normally. And also the cozy seats and air condition are designed to provide a comfortable environment for drivers. SHANTUI is a very popular brand. If you have any machinery problems or needs, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.